SE series smartphones are something completely strange and sometimes even annoying. However, what if I tell you that the iPhone SE4 will be the coolest smartphone of the company? No kidding, it will not be a smartphone, but just a real beast, which will not leave a chance to competitors or the Apple company itself. Well, at least that's what insiders say, but they won't lie. Seriously? Our money? Yes, seriously. Today we will discuss everything that is known about the iPhone SE4 smartphone and what it will surprise us with. But before we start, I recommend subscribing to our channel and clicking on the bell so as not to miss the release of new videos. Hello everyone, Anton is at the microphone, let's go. Let's start with the design. According to the Mac Rumors portal, the smartphone is already in development and has an ID of D59. The iPhone SE4 will receive a new design, which means that there will be no outdated smartphones from Apple, no Touch ID, no huge frames and home buttons. All this is in the past. The external iPhone SE4 will resemble the base model of the iPhone 14, but with some small differences. And I will immediately answer those who say that Apple does not change anything. This is not true. Powered by Dubverse. Powered by Dubverse. So stop writing that the iPhone SE is simple, they took an old smartphone and resell it. This is not true. The main camera will be one, but it will not be simple. Its resolution will be 48 megapixels. This is the same sensor that is used in the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus smartphones. Another difference will be the presence of a USB Type-C connector for charging and data transfer. Of course, there is no need to expect any super speeds here. It will be the same speed at the level of USB 2.0 as in the iPhone SE3. Powered by Dubverse. Yes, we are quickly leaving Touch ID. Moreover, there is information that Apple does not plan any fingerprint scanners under the screen, and in the future all devices will be equipped with Face ID. I honestly get used to everything easily, and I find both Touch ID and Face ID equally convenient. And what is more convenient for you, and why? You can write in the comments. Another unexpected detail is the action button instead of the silent mode swing. According to insiders, the iPhone SE4 will receive a new button, which is now available only to users of the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Apple Track published the renders based on rumors. The smartphone looks nice. In general, to summarize, the iPhone SE 4th generation will look like a modern smartphone, which is suitable for those who do not chase all the hype, who are not bothered by one main camera. But at the same time, I want to use iOS and get updates for many more years. If Apple does not lose the price, and the novelty will cost the same $429 as the iPhone SE3 costs now, then it will be the best smartphone of the company. Especially if you are just starting to get acquainted with iOS and Apple, and decided to switch from Android to iOS. These are the news we have. Remember that these are just rumors, and you need to treat them with a healthy share of skepticism. The smartphone can be shown in the spring of 2024. And what do you think about the perfect iPhone SE4? We, as always, are waiting for your thoughts in the comments to the video. We read all the comments, and answer the most interesting ones with pleasure. Powered by Dubverse. You were on the Copy Pasted channel, Anton was with you, and have a good day.